Okay, so I've got my pink fondant out, pale pink. I've got a little bit of black, a little bit of red, and a little bit of white for the pig. Okay, so the pig, we'll just make the body on the pig a little bit smaller. Start with a ball like this. Roll it into a cone by, again, putting my hands in a V, an open V shape. Flip it on over, and there's your body. Insert a piece of spaghetti all the way through. Cut it off about a ½ inch up. And the legs are basically the same way as the cow. So we need 2 balls, approximately the same size. Okay, put my hand, okay, let me do this one more time here. Ball, put my hand over half of it and start to roll it out, keeping this part a little bit fatter. This is the side of the body. Place it up there. Bend this down. Okay. Turn it to the other side. Ball. Place my hand halfway over it. Start to roll it out. Place it at the side like this, so the leg's up, and then bend that down, like so. Arms. Okay, same thing. Ball. Start to roll that out. Place it right up at the top where the spaghetti is. Kind of bend that around. Same thing here. What we can do on these arms too is take a piece or a toothpick and just kind of push in and bend that to create that kind of crease there on the inside of the elbow. Make this, because this is, we're going to have the hoofs on here, so just kind of make that stubby. We can go ahead and take the back of the paintbrush, push in and open that up ready to put the hoofs in there. And then flatten these up a little. Grab the black. Actually, we can go ahead and do the head on first on this one, so I don't get my hands all black. Okay, so this time the head is pretty much a ball that I just kind of flatten a little bit. Okay, then I take that and I place it over the spaghetti. Let me turn this to the side, because it's again at an angle over the spaghetti like that. Okay, that's what I've got so far. Then I need another small ball on top of that for the snout. Place it on top and flatten that a little bit. Take the toothpick, insert and move it up and down. Insert, move it up and down. Okay, then the ears on this, the ears are a little bit more, they're a little higher, so way up here, poke that in and rotate that around. Poke in, rotate it around. Take a little more pink. It's going to be the same way that we did the ears for the cow. Take a little bit more. Ball of fondant, make it into a cone. Then use that same tool or the back of a paintbrush. Push down, open that up. Pinch this. A little bit of water. And insert. And then you want to bend those ears over for the pig. Okay, so they're more on top of the head, and then they're bent over.